Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am going to talk about something that connects millions of people across the world, something that brings excitement, passion, discipline and unity into our life, and that's it, sports. Sports are much more than games. They are always a way of life for many people. Whether it's football, cricket, basketball, tennis, badminton or even chess, sports teaches us lesson go far beyond the field. From childhood, many of us are introduced to sports in school. At first, it may seem like fun activity during a physical education class, but slowly we realize that sport shapes our personality, mindset, even our future. First and the most obvious importance of sports is physical fitness. In today's world where people spend hours sitting in front of screen, physical activity become the more important thing ever. Sports help us active, improve stamina, build strength and maintain overall health. For example, when we play football, our body develops endurance. When we play badminton, our reflexes become faster. Even games like chess improve our mental strength and concentration. Sports also reduce the risk of diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and health related problems. This is why doctor and health expert always encourages people to include some kind of sports or physical activities in their daily routine. But sports are not only about physical health. They are equally important too for mental health. When we play sports like our brain releases chemical endorphins mood. This is why playing games we often feel fresh, relaxed and happy. Sports teaches us how to handle pressure. Imagine a cricketer facing a final ball of the match when a 6 runs are needed. The pressure is immense, yet players train themselves to stay calm and focused. This lesson is valuable in real life too. As a student, we face exam pressure. As professional people, work pressures. Sports prepare us to manage stress and perform under challenge situation. Another powerful lesson sport teaches us is discipline. Every successful athlete follow a strict routine. They wake up early, train regularly, eat healthy food and stay committed to their goals. For take the example of Virat Kohli. His success is not just because of talent, because of dedication, discipline and hard work. Similarly, Cristiano Ronaldo is known worldwide for his extraordinary fitness and work ethic. These athletes remind us that the success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort. Sports also teaches us teamwork. In games like football, basketball or cricket, no single player can win match alone. Success depends on coordination, just trust and communication among teammates. This lesson applies everywhere in school, in college project, workplaces and business. Teamwork is essential. Sport shows how to cooperate, respect other contribution and work towards a common goal. One of the valuable qualities sports develop are leadership. Captains of team make important decisions under pressure. They motivate teammates, create strategies and take responsibility for outcomes. This develop confidence and decision making skills. These are the qualities that help people become stronger leader in every field of life. Now let's talk about one of the most beautiful aspect of sportsmanships. Sportsmanship means respecting our opponent, following rules, and accepting both victory and defeat gracefully. Winning is exciting, but losing teaches us important lessons. Loss teaches us humility. It teaches us analyze mistake, improve ourselves, and come back stronger. As the saying goes, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. This is one of the greatest lessons sport offers. Sports also play an important role bringing people together. No matter what language people speak, what religion they follow, or what country they belong, sport unite them. A perfect example is Olympic Games. Athletes around the world compete on one platform representing peace, unity and excellence. Similarly, events like FIFA World Cup create excitement globally. Millions of people cheer, celebrate and connect through their love for this game. Sports also contribute significantly to economy. Sport industry creates jobs for athlete, coaches, trainer, event manager, broadcasters, and marketers. Huge tournament generate revenue through sponsorship, ticket sale, merchandise, and advertisement. For example, like Indian Premier League have transferred cricket into a major business industry. Sports also inspire young people to dream big. Many athletes come from a humble background and rise to international fame through hard work. Take Neeraj Chopra. He made history by winning India's first Olympic gold in athletics. His journey inspired millions of young people. Stories like these prove that determination, dedication, and belief anything is possible. However, sports also face challenges. Issues like doping, corruption, match fixing, and excessive commercial pressure sometimes damage the spirit of sports. This is why maintaining ethics and fairness is essential. Sports should always remain a symbol of honesty, effort, and health competition. As students, we should understand that sports are not waste of time. Many people think academic alone defines success, but true development happens when education and sport go together. Sports improve concentration, build confidence, and teaches life skills that books alone cannot provide. Schools and colleges should encourage equal competitions, equal participation in sports along with the academics. They teach they teach discipline, teamwork, leadership, patience, confidence, and reliance. They keep us healthy, mentally strong, and socially connected. Whether we play professionally or simply for fun, sports encourages our lives in countless ways. So let us make a sport a part of daily life, because sports are not just about winning medals or trophy. They are about becoming stronger, wiser, and better human being. Thank you for listening.